Hello friends, I wanted to show you how to replace battery of this garage door opener remote and also how to program it. You have to take a flat screwdriver, or I'm using this flat clip of the remote itself. Pry it open just like how I showed it to you here. And there it is. The battery is to be laid like that. The positive has to be at the bottom, just like that. To replace the battery, just put the new one into that slot and put the two pieces, press them back together. That's it. It's very easy to change the battery. Now, next, I'll show you how to program the remote. You see, the remote is not working. Most of the times when you change the battery, you may have to reprogram the remote. See, it's not working. I got a Craftsman garage door opener. On the right side, I will show you the learn button. That is key. Here it is. I will open the lid, and you see there is the learn button there, the red button that I show you. Yes. Now I'll show you how easy it is to program the remote. Okay. See, the remote is still not working. All you have to do is press the learn button. You see the orange light comes on, and then press the button on your remote and hold it until the light flashes. Yep, just like that. Now your remote is programmed. Just see now, I'm able to open the garage door. It's that simple, guys. The door opens. I'm going to try and close the door with the remote. There it is. It is fully working. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, post a comment and I'll respond to you as quickly as possible. It's so easy to replace the battery and reprogram the remote.